In this question, the principle talks about one of the concepts in partnership. It says that if a person gives an impression to outsiders that he's a partner in a firm, though he's not a partner, he will be held liable as a partner if a third party deals with the firm on the impression that he is a partner. As for the facts, there's a partnership firm called Tughlaq and Partners which deals with mining and exploration business. It had 7 partners. Now, one of the senior researchers, Aman, he was sent to a conference to represent the firm. The dignitaries over there thought Aman to be one of the partners, and even Aman did not disclose about the truth. So, one of the business tycoons entered into a contract with the partnership firm believing Aman to be a partner. When Aman returns, he tells the other partners about the deal that he has secured. After a few months, the firm was not able to deliver the promised work, so Anna, which is third party, he sues Aman. So will he be liable to pay the compensation? It's a very simple question. Directly on the application of principle, we can come down to the conclusion that he will be liable because he did not disclose that he was not a partner. The third party entered into a contract with the firm on the impression that he is the partner. So option C and D says that Aman will be liable to pay the compensation. C says that the reason being Anna entered into a contract with him considering him to be one of the partners. And option D says that he does not tell Anna that he is not a partner in the firm despite knowing it well that Anna believes otherwise. So as per the detailed explanation, the correct answer would be option D. Option C would not be the correct answer because it says that Anna entered into a contract with him, considering him to be one of the partners, whereas Anna he entered into a contract with the firm, that is your Tughlaq and Partners. So therefore option C would not be the correct answer and option D is the correct answer.